for me more be a quaba, the Bajensi and pages so many at the Adjoa searching. And calling on our social media and said that a new was silly. Now a mouth be brain so a news phone. It's not and send be a cost or men who cry to me and share a dream. You tonight, now and there will be a craft phone, social media won't so be an amount in some air cost be a yet. And in some air cost who are gonna have me now. Be a channel ever commenting. Na yesa comments na ye share ya adwene so mpanfro mu hu obu papa sanso e na radio stations TV stations so mo ye programs so mo frɛ Ghana fo ye de ya adwene kyerɛ e ba ne nya mpanfro no mo te ntia ya de o mo di hu dwuma na e bia ye na ye hu o mo di hu dwuma pa na Ghana fo bi e de o mo adwene kyerɛ aba e fa eye o man pani dada wanya ne baby ko Papa Jerry amafo bibre na o mo e ka sɛ Papa Jerry why are they because Ghana fo ye suban no so we are president no one for the bibia enya dia o men de ebetu pon nti Papa Jerry obeye ne de bebre nsu na e ka say Papa Jerry do wanya di because e ka ne no so we business na e kosoro kakra obes scatter osisi a nti amafo abona ba so say why are they amafo so almost wanya de wiase di no bia no betimi apewasem bebre na pope wasem adue amafo bebre na so mo e ka say obai obeye ade papa e ma o man Ghana ebi mo so wanya de amfa ma o man Ghana ebi mo sinyame emfa ne kra ensie ye obi asinyame emfa ne kra ensie ye nye ebi mo si because o wude e den a ebi mo ebewu na ebi o e na obi so che na dwonche e na o che se Ghana ha no si ebetu pon ye beko ye nima NDC amayoko no ye scatter mo ngu ba ye nto mo ngu o ye nto mo ngu ne emfa MPP international no mo ngu o man na NDC for the enya de omo eboa omanga na nde anasa ochina ye de NDC echi omanga na de beko senya ntinke be ya ye mana MPP international anasa party for embra because NDC for we so akwan na nye basa na do ba yi wa ya akwan bebre ntinke be ya MPP amayoko no international so sa ne ti ensema Ghana for
Fi Asante Achim Kurofa himfi Penida da Rollins Papaye ye ma woni abusuafo nyina Ghana fo nyina hyede se ka Papaye ti ase a nka wan Penida da ma amasmo de kokoti ko be stop won kra Papaye nyame fa kra nsie yi wura ya frempon why total filling station manager wo se wo agyan himechia wo.
Hello, Cass. Good evening. Mekasefri Paris. Mesremo. Ghana for mo fasa nose mask ni ade ni agro. Ye hu e wo social media. No obi say, "Hi, media shembotom." Obi say, "Hi, minister Kotobi." Sabi ye turn 2 cities 5 cities kwa mon to. Na France ha, e free last year, March 15th. Still ye that e dem. Se so mo my curfew every October mu. E be pum sa time yi mu no. E free wu kra da ye be ya. E be sa kra sa ko lockdown. Ni pe bre, ni pe wo ye hu. Ye ne na fofo ene wo mu na mo wu no.
Dr. Cass enen so biem nyame aye adom ama joada aba beto ye wasundwiem de meka se ye de nchi akase na e ma ona na banka hene se menchia wo ma no meka safri Asante Achim banka kwadwo na ntwie nie na de beka na se Rollins yankopon fa kra ensie esa na se nipa bia wo na enso Ghana fo de ya na ye boni ye nhwe de nipa na ye na emombo na kekra nipa be na eno ana ye ka obi enso ni ho a wonye boni da wo
Gosh, awaji na say Papa J Yankopon fa de kresi o yana famudie ntirima so mawe be ya edamene wo ye modi moso se be si NDC fo no Mr. Mahani kwan mutimi wo mawe da o mawe how nya ye NDC no be ja not detri yakwan sam enye atonsuom o ma paba ne meye.
Dr. Cash, yeah, good afternoon. Dr. Rajazai, now untimi o say anya dey. Now on to no one there so. Visa on what to no one there da. Why you have from there bet you will put me call that city go. Che, on peba bin tina kora. Oro kora no is what to no one there so da. Onim the offer ko hop to papa futu amre man no. Me da se pa Francophonie amwa
Cash, Auntie Maggie, Mechani wa bedwafo. Mr. Wallace nsem a woka nyina woboa. First no, suku, unya sense yes, I know I start class 1. I go see classes. Udu classes, I now start form 1. I go see form 4. Ufri form 5. Now I start secondary school. Form 1. I go form 5. Ufri form 5 for why oko says 4. Ufri says form now call university. It is omka na 3 years obi akonto mo for pa. Ye time no. Na ye form 5 years I do secondary school. It is omka na 3 years omo boa. Omo na mbe say school no. Omba no so mo be junior secondary school.
Cash me ma Papa J Busan for nyina yako. Cash Papa J de unze ono de na bibia ode baba bia no ode no hojim yenya no so mampanyin bia biom da. Enti so mampanyin we a waba obe Ministry of Evaluation and Monitoring. Ah ye hu de mo evaluate ye na ye hu de mo monitor ye. No man nyina basa. In fact
Dr. Cash, good afternoon. Michelle no wabedwa fo nyina, Mikasa Francois, Medini wasaya alias Dede na waba kope. Chia tuni afo nyina. Dr. Cash, na azizia NDC for so nyambo e chakwa to meba na to moma. Na wo bakwa mo kasa kwantisi so. Dr. Cash
Radena Sinye kama safia huwa demo, Emos Mensa, exhaust pipe water, a pattern about a papa, Medimajuma, Papa and some papa, Mencha Cosicredo, mention of on net or Chess Kunta, de Chessa Cosicredo, oh, Mubona Baswaya, depa, Mamma Akufa Adra Basso, MPP, Mabama Basso, Save Muslim Kwama, 5 Simonis, or Moye, Mama, Gana, Yedeno, Nanado, Traso, Koenim Yamin
Patrick ni ahinsa bo nsumo pe na mgina meka se ne made oso aten NDC fo ni case yewura John Dramani mama won ti ase onko yi asem ni free court no wonya nhihye pa 2024 betimi dia ba ne so.
Dr. Cash, good evening. Iceman here, welcome and share. Uncle Wallace there, Dr. Cash. And to us how asam no crow pass onka. Oh, Ghana. Nyahe.
Gosh, afternoon of fuck when the chronom on Panel's Ghana de Mele on one new Obedia bro. I'll buy impossible Okum was in Dindio Guzani Pano. Or this come on Chelsea. On Oko, oh, no, who's casting. Ghana Vomin Swenson. What Gigana Bropa. Good evening, and you may know a pamphlet. It's young Crawford, no more yet, my Crawford. Cat, Nimbum, yes, Reno. Ghana, the Odibe Giant, so I netted Ghana, a year NDC 4 years. While as mu and for motive a chira move Trump a year, red with some kind of cranch and Mabunu.
Still leading, others full of Feminapo Junior, Mima, men, and not conduct my runs, Monisha Dane. The parents already infinity.
Cash Michiamo, your friend Dada, me free menshia here. No crow hamo mienka. Bible moon he fana ya come forward the same Pharaoh. Pharaoh obey as you were the bonnet and never woo. Intino nipano waya dear na waye and ne one year be walk one.
Hello, Dr. Cash. We the Michana, you may need more Diva Santa Mana Ghana. We the Eastern do physical quality. Cash, Yarena wants some more can home. I buy a chinipana, also no smartphone or money bishop. Now what chinipas who should be? What's actually the Nagukama in Aqua police station? I buy a rent so a small bomb peso.
Otek 102.9 FM, the pride of Ashanti.
Drop rim. On Otek 102.9, Yakoya, Yasaya.
One more bidder. And you more be there, and you tell me to go and do what you are not doing. David. And then president of Ghana start near who say leadership, for example. The Ocean, but you who say, oh, yeah. No, Biaka say, oh, President Crown, no mobile, maybe a term, they said you are satable. Or no, I say Niponkuna, and I know for CMA. Now, apart from President, Nana Santibidia too. So, no, executive. The secretary to the president.
That's right.
In Pay president, I didn't elect us no yana or issue an answer or sign. 27th of December 2020. 27th December 2020. Brunya Brim. Nana Asante Bedia to marries long-time girlfriend. Femi Aditola. Cause
Minim point of personal building. Point, you know. Why?
Neighbor. The Ghana Medical Association. So my bibi
Ghana Medical Association.
No, because we must put a stop to weddings and then. Bibi ni hosa.
When they said 50 last week, I'm starting.
Exactly.
Almost yes, and
I make us Asante Bedia to no secretary to the president. No, why wedding? 26th of December. Christmas, I didn't hear you.
Me clear said you can be teacher. If you say you didn't shana base, you nyai fro you know. But Ghana Medical Association a propose.
Ghana Medical Association crowd. Me kase yantiti and tem yenya gatherings in your money. Asante Bedia Troy is promoting gatherings.
Oh, okay.
Sana America.
All right.
Asante Bedia Troy got married is a sweetheart Femi Aditola on Boxing Day. Was it? I did not take place on the 26th of December 2020, Boxing Day, at the St. Francis Cottage at Anof Nswam in the Eastern Region. Oh yes, I wedding no. I wouldn't be surprised, and I say I don't think say President Kobe, Ministers Kobe, but MPP big and if Muna Kobe get it crowded. Oh, Minister COVID or sometimes in the Ipida. As woman can say we you. No him. 31st December 2020, there was this publication by Radio Gold Live or something. Akufo-Addo ordered beaches to be closed by his in-law Sandbox hosted Activate concert. President Akufo-Addo on 20th of December 2020 maintained the directive that cinemas, pubs and beaches will remain closed as part of restrictions adopted to contain the coronavirus. He made this statement during his 20th address to the nation on measures instituted by government to fight COVID-19. Beaches, Omukotuno, beaches, pubs, cinemas, and nightclubs remain closed until further notice. All other institutions that have been cleared to function are to continue to do so in strict adherence to the COVID-19 protocol, President Akufo-Addo stated. However, 1 week later, on December 28th, 2020, Sandbox Beach and Club, owned by the wife of his cousin and secretary, Nana Asante Bediatu, Sarah A. Femi Bediatu, hosted the Video and Stone Boys Activate concert with little regards for COVID-19 protocols. I don't know. Asante Bediatu Ware 26th, 28th of December, 8 days after President Kra said, beaches near the inclusion. None a year now, no. Ne beach club friend the Sandbox will be an kumon and Germany. Until, like I said, no leadership.